Hi there, this is Alex with PENNSY Layout update. Today guys will be a little bit longer video about how I fix one of the major difficulties I have when two major sections connects to each other. Actually, you'll see three sections connects here. Okay, and when from the one of the main line, it's again major connection to layout, so I can run from both sides, and modules, those sections made with different time, it was very hard to really see how they're going to connect to each other. So original, and I'll move the engines, you will see, then we'll run those engines. I moved the switch actually 3 times to see proper geometry, and finally it looks like it's good right now. I will use original, this is Pico switch, and I'm going to use original solenoid. So that is, oh, that engine talks a lot. So this is actually very nice MTH custom. The other one is also MTH. Correct me if I'm spelling pronunciation. Dreyfus, New York Central. I have centipede PENNSY. Major thing, now I can run T1 PENNSY. That was the goal. Alright, here's gorgeous i5, and on completion, the other part, I will put ballast and everything, and I'll show you all materials I'm using. We'll run a couple of H10s. So the major problem began, if you can see that blue styrofoam, that was original connection, so it was far off. And if you can see here in this area, this is absolutely not done. It's only in testing purposes right now, because I did that geometry, that's probably my 3rd try. Also, that area is not complete absolutely. I'm still just everything running right now very smooth. So what I did, I make a little bit in embankment here, and I'll show you with level how it turns very nice. And a major thing was that area on the left, it's going a little bit higher than, so it's kind of a small hill, very hard to probably to see using that camera, but it's probably 2 degrees, not really, very hard to see again. So I just shim that switch. I use 2 different materials, and so far so good. So that white thing you see, it's Woodland Scenic foam putty. Very nice, very easy to actually work after. I thought I'm going to use just regular hydrocal, but it's a little bit tough. This is much easier. Very nice stuff. And I'll use it a little bit later to put in some areas here and there. You can see, again, I want to keep it everything flexible right now, right? So shim's working, using probably different joiners, those Walters joiners, and absolutely patching everything here and make it very nice. And I will use just a regular ballast with I kind of really like that what's this, Scenic Express. Yes, it has a little bit rubbery compared to original Woodland Scenic. It looks like a little bit, again, rubbery, so it gives me a little bit flexibility. I want that section maximum flexible, because layout shifting, those sections shifting from summer to winter, from air conditioning to heat system, and it needs to be really flexible. Okay, let's run slowly. So it's going up the hill, like tiny little bitty hill, and I'll show you with the level. And on very probably 2 degrees in embankment. I really don't care about the numbers, I just see it just by eye how it's good. Okay, backwards. That engine needs to run in, so it's pretty much brand new out of the box. Very nice and smooth. Okay, let's get another one. Okay. Alright, let's start from here with the level, just a little bit break, then we'll run more engines. Okay. Then I'll move it close to the switch. Here's on the switch. Then I'll smooth everything so it's very raw still, just testing. See, on the main line looks very good. I will still put more foam, make sure it dries out completely, and adjust it more. Now here you see some angle. That's what my embankment, how I made it. Just a little bit here, a few inches up forward, like here again, and then it's just going to almost horizontal. So that embankment helps to move kind of center of gravity on the right side, so all wheels, flanges on the right side will be catch it properly, the rail, and especially for T1 engine, which was going to run right now. Alrighty, T1 time. I just lower sound, but it's too much sometimes. Okay, two two middle wheels, they don't have flanges. Okay, so that allow, not everybody has have like 30 inches radius at least, you know, but this is probably around 26, 20 something. So, and those wheels without flanges just sliding in those turn areas, very nice now. Okay. Look at the nice gap between tender and the boiler. Let's run a little bit faster. See? Very cool. Okay. Okay, now i5. Good looking engine. Very cool. Very nice. Okay, now centipede for the gold. It maybe looks a little bit rough. How's the front moving? But it's working. I'll just speed it up. See, even this huge engine is running very nice through this section. And I'm using bar because on couplers I just like the bar better. Let's go backwards. Couplers in that type of radius is just not working well for me. The bar is, and actually the front engine a little bit faster. It's not stopping on the switch. That's nice. Well, that will be all for today. Next part I'll show you how I more smooth with that foam and put that original switching mechanism solenoid from Pico, accessory decoder, and see how it's completed with the ballast. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.